I feel like I've been very blessed to work with amazing directors till now. When people are driven and they have this passion of achieving something in life, and they pay attention to the detail and they have their homework done, I have a lot of respect for that. We kind of take it easy and we don't jump on every opportunity. We see the pros and cons and then take a decision. Masti, a lot of jhol jhal, it's a lot of golmaal, it's a lot of all of that. But the eventuality is about a very nice message that the film is trying to give.
आज के हमारे इस chat session में हमारे साथ एक कलाकार जुड़ेंगे जिन्होंने निभाए हैं अपनी इस सीरीज में काफी सारे किरदार। जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं जुबीना की, या फिर ये कहें गौहर खान की, या फिर ये कहें तूफानी सीनियर की, जिनको आपने बिग बॉस के घर में देखा था। और आज हमारे इस कैंडिड चैट सेशन में मेरे यानी विशाखा के साथ वो करेंगी इस सीरीज के बारे में बात। तो आइए चलिए बुलाते हैं गौहर खान को और जानते हैं ZEE5 की इस सीरीज के बारे में। आई हैव विद मी टुडे, शुड आई कॉल यू तूफानी सीनियर, शुड आई कॉल यू गौहर खान, और व्हाट शुड आई एड्रेस यू? बट देन आई हैव द क्वीन हरसेल्फ विद मी जॉइनिंग टुडे। फर्स्टली कांग्रेचुलेशंस, 14 फेरे की प्रमोशंस चल रही हैं। हाउ इज द एक्साइटमेंट लेवल फॉर यू गौहर?
I am super excited. 14 Pheri is by far one of the projects that I can't wait for people to watch, because it's a great cast, it's a great story, it's an amazing director, great producers of course, and my role is something that I'm biting my nails for people to just start watching it now, because of course it's releasing on the 23rd of July, but I just can't wait.
But I'll tell you one thing very honestly, that even though I've seen a lot of your work, even though I've seen you in the real avatar Big Boss के घर में, but मेरे लिए आज भी गौहर खान की जो पहली वाली वो छवि आती है ना, it's just that जल्ला वल्ला वाला जो song है ना, I think I still just trip over that song of yours, like a huge crush over that dance moves, over that the charisma that you were showing there. So now, will this character beat that level, or is it gonna set another level for fans to fall in love with you? What is it like?
I think Zubina's character will have a very different kind of love, because it's just not Zubina. I think Zubina playing two other characters who are much older than her, 30 years plus. I think people are going to love her for who she is and what she plays. And I hope because of that, people end up loving me much more as the actor, for the actor that I am.
Okay, tell me one thing very honestly, Gauhar. What is that first thought that crosses your mind when you're offered a role? Like, what makes you say instantly yes for the character?
Just the fact that how much it contributes to a script. How much will people actually remember my character once they leave the, movie? How much of an impact I can make as an actor. In a script, through the character that I play. I think those are the factors that I keep in mind. And of course, the director plays the most important part, because I feel like I've been very blessed to work with amazing directors till now. And Devanshu sir is so young. I call him sir out of respect, although he's younger than me. But I just feel like when people are driven and they have this passion of achieving something in life, and they pay attention to the detail and they have their homework done, I have a lot of respect for that. So I think Devanshu sir is one of my favorite directors of all times now, because I just love him.
But then, is Gauhar Khan is a big critic of her work, or is it someone else who's a huge critic of your work, Gauhar?
Nigar, my sister, is my biggest critic, because she'll just tell me ye nahi kaam kiya, ya ye acha laga, ya whatever. And I still remember when she watched Begum Jaan in the theater, and that was the first time she said, "My God, you're just turning into this amazing actor every time with every role." So I think Nigar is my biggest critic. Even my brother is he will be very blunt about, this you are just not being real, or this you are not looking, yourself, or this you're looking too much of yourself. So yeah, I think Asad Bhai and Nigar are my biggest critics. Zaid is a great, he analyzes things very well for me now. He can tell me points that even I don't probably, it doesn't even cross my mind. So yeah, I've got a good support system.
Okay, in that case, what was the first instinct reaction when Nigar, your Asad Bhai and Zaid, they watched the trailer, or maybe when they got to know about this character? Unka kya instant feedback tha?
They loved it. My brother was like, "Wow, this is something that you've never done before. Wow, I couldn't believe it. It's you. You look so cute." According to my brother, I look very cute in that as an oldie. Zaid, of course, has seen me on set. He has seen me dressed up as the character, so he knew already what was in store. But he doesn't know exactly what the film is about, so I'm excited for him to actually watch it. And Nigar loved it, my mom loved it, my entire family loved it. They were all like so proud of the fact that I'm taking up these big challenges and making those big moves in my life.
Okay, so Gauhar, I have a very funny question, I should say, or I think I have a very out of the box question here. Does getting married change the fact of when you sign a project, do you guys instantly discuss with each other, either of you, be it Zaid or you or any of the married couples, or is it like the telepathy कि आपको पता है कि partner को क्या पसंद आने वाला और क्या नहीं पसंद आने वाला है? What is it like?
We discuss it, but we don't really say that whether should I do this or should I don't. I mean, should I not do it? Zaid, in fact, he likes to ask me a few things, this has happened or that has happened. And I just tell him that, okay, this is probably coming about. Maybe I'll have to go for a few days. And he's never really bothered or he's never interfering in anything. In fact, certain projects that even we've been offered, we kind of take it easy and we don't jump on every opportunity, We see the pros and cons and then take a decision. So we're both non-interfering people, so we try and keep it like that.
But then you guys are indeed painting the town red. Do you know that thing? Have you realized that thing until now?
Yeah, well, we're trying to paint it red, yellow, blue, all kind of colors.
Yes, you're successful in that. Okay, talking about the movie, I would really love to know, having such a nice cast alongside with you, how was the bonding on the sets? How was working with them and the scenes that came out? Because I'm sure we will love it. But आपका BTS उनके साथ कैसा रहा?
Brilliant. I think the actors that I'm working with, not just, of course, Vikrant and Kriti, they are brilliant. Everyone knows that. But even the rest of the ensemble cast, the parents who are playing, Yamini ji, Govind ji, Vineet ji, there's Priyanshu, there's Ankita, there's so many other characters who have done a fab job, at making their character look as real and as relatable as possible. Because it's a very real film. The problems in here are very, very relevant. They're very relatable. So the performances had to be superlative. And Zubina, I think Zubina and Amay, who's Jameel sir. Jameel sir was just, because most of my scenes are with him and Vikrant and Kriti. And he was just a joy to work with. We were always at loggerheads as the characters, but in real life, we were just chillers. We were enjoying ourselves. And Vikrant and Kriti are just joy. They're just pure joy to work.
Okay, in that case, which is that one scene that you personally feel, if when the fans will see the movie, they will instantly fall in love with Gauhar a lot more?
There is a scene in a train that you must watch out for.
So that is a little sneak peek Gauhar has given to us. Okay, and what do you have to say if you had to write, let's say, the ending of the movie? Because obviously, everybody will have a little different mindset of making a movie. Do you think that you would have written the same ending as we are gonna see, or you think you would have written something different?
No, I think the ending is the most important because it's giving a very good message. In the light mahal that it's creating, in the light atmosphere that the film is about. It's a lot of masti, a lot of jhol jhal, it's a lot of golmaal, it's a lot of all of that. But the eventuality is about a very nice message that the film is trying to give. And Devanshu sir, Satyanshu sir, the writer, Manoj, everybody is trying to do a job of a certain kind of a responsibility through this film, which we hope that affects the society in a positive way. So that's the ending that I am hoping that everybody sees it like that, and I wouldn't want to change it.
Any parting words aapke fans ke liye who are gonna love you as Rubina, as many other characters ahead?
Well, yes, they love me as Rubina in Begum Jaan. I hope they love me as much and more as Rubina in 14 Phere. And I hope all of them just love what I have done, love what all of us have done, and don't forget to watch it on ZEE5. It's releasing on 23rd of July.
Thank you so much, Gauhar. It was a pleasure having you here with us at Telechakkar.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. God bless. Bye-bye.
Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching this chat session with me, Vishakha Pandit, जहाँ आज हमारी मेहमान थी Zubina या ये कहें गौहर खान, जो कि बहुत एक्साइटेड है अपनी सीरीज के लिए. तो आप लोग देखना ना भूलिएगा 14 फेरे जो कि रिलीज होती है 23rd of July को. And until then, this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now. You stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the more updates about the Tele world.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.